Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix Crunchyroll is not loading or not responding error. I will show you the 6 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. In our first method, you have to just check for your internet connection and try to change the network connection. In case of the Wi-Fi, you have to just reboot your modem and then again connect your Wi-Fi to your system. Otherwise, you have to just try to change the router of your internet connection by turning on the airplane mode for 2 to 3 minutes and again turn it off, restore your internet connection and try to load your Crunchyroll. Doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. Moving to our second method, you need to update your browser. For this, you have to just click on the three dots at the very top right corner and then click on the settings, and then here you have to just click on the about Chrome in the left menu, and it will automatically check for the update for your Chrome browser, and you can see that my Google Chrome has been updated. And now moving to our next method, you have to just click on the privacy and the security in the left menu and then click on the clear browsing data. Basically you have to just clear the browsing data. For this, you have to just select in the time range for all time and then click on the clear data. Note one thing, that it will clear all the data from your Chrome browser. After completing this process, you have to just reload your Crunchyroll, and doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. Moving to our next method, you have to just restart your PC one time. In some cases, it is enough to solve this error. By restarting your PC, your problem will be fixed. Moving to the next method, we have to just click on the three dots at the very top right corner and then click on the more tools and click on the extensions. Basically, we have to just disable all of the extensions. After disabling these extensions, you have to just again load your Crunchyroll, and doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And make sure that your Crunchyroll is up to date. After doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.